G'day everyone, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video. And today we're having a look at how to install Android Oreo on your Galaxy S8 Plus or your Galaxy S8. Pretty simple, but we're going to go through how to do this through Odin. I've got the firmware, I've got Odin, I've got the Galaxy S8 Plus. So let's see how we do it. So the first thing you want to do is download Odin. And that's pretty basic. Go to Sam Mobile and you click on the link there and download it. It's very simple. Then just click on the folder. It's a zip folder. Then extract it all. I just did it to my downloads folder. It's nice and simple there. Then double click on Odin. Very easy to that part. Just download, extract, and run. Next, you want your software. Now my version is the SMG955F. So that's the software that I'm going to download. So click on firmware, search up your model, hit search, and then you get a whole list for every country. Download that to your downloads folder, and then again, right click and press extract all. Very simple. And then you'll have all the files you need in your downloads folder. And from here, it's even more simple because Sam Mobile actually has all the files you need and the instructions on their website as well. So I'm not reinventing the wheel here. I'm not being some magician. I'm just copying what's already done for us, and I'm just going to show you how to do it. Open Odin version 3.13.1. Now it's very important that we use this version. Earlier versions will not work because of the new system, new software on the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus phones. Then it says reboot phone into download mode. Now to get into download mode, first thing we're going to do is power down the device. Just like so. Now that you've done that, you want to hold your Bixby, power and volume down buttons all at the same time until you see this. Warning, the custom OS can cause critical problems in phone and installed applications. Volume up to continue. So we're going to vote volume up, and now we're in download mode. Next thing I want to plug in, now that I have Odin up and running, I've connected to my PC. You can see the blue screen. You can see the blue square in Odin. That means we're good to go. You want that blue square right there. So then I click on BL. I go to the folder that I downloaded that file to, which for me is in downloads, and there it is. The first two letters are BL. Then I go to AP. Same thing. Click on AP. Then CP. Then CSC. Now, I would choose Home CSC if I didn't want to mess up some of my data, but I'm all good with that, so I'm going to click on CSC OXM, and that's all we need. So from there, all I have to do now is press start. Everything else is set up. There we go, and start. Now you'll see it running through all the steps it needs to do, and you can see on the screen of my phone as well that it's also running through all the steps it needs to run through. And once this is done, we will have an official version of Android 8.0 on my Galaxy S8 Plus and a new Samsung Experience version 9, which I'm pretty excited about, and I'm just so glad that this is an option for us. Like I said, if you're going to wait for Vodafone or your carrier, wherever you are, you could be waiting forever just to get your software update. Now, as you can see on the computer screen, the green line in Odin is slowly moving upwards. That means it's slowly flashing the firmware onto the device. Hit the thumbs up button if you want to see me flash some ROMs and test some ROMs out for this device. I think we're going to see some really good development, especially now that Oreo's out. All the developers, they get excited and start getting back into it. So let's see what we get with the Galaxy S8 Plus, custom ROMs and Android Oreo. Hit the thumbs up if you want me to flash some ROMs. What do we have? Come on. Reset. There we go. Galaxy S8 Plus. On Odin it says pass, which means it's passed. We have success. It's green. I like to see green. Red would not be cool. You can unplug your device now. First boot could take a little while because it's brand new software. Everything's been wiped. Have to reconnect to my Gear Fit 2 Pro as well, more than likely. Installing system update. Looks pretty quick. Looks like we're in a different language. It's because I flashed a German software. So I'll just change the language to English Australia because, in case you haven't noticed, I'm Australian. There's my how-to video on how to put Android 8.0 Oreo onto your Galaxy S8 Plus. No more waiting. Let's just get it on there. I'll be back with a first impressions video shortly. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Let's get some Oreo. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!